everyone, it's author Sandra Wilson here in the Kindness Kangaroo Library for another Kangaroo Tale. Today we're reading the story, It's Easy Being Green, Simple Ways to Keep Our Earth Clean by Micelli. This is a great time of year to talk about the earth and how to keep things clean, and that's why I think it's a great day to read this story. Now remember, as always, in the description below, you'll be able to find a link where you can get a copy of the book for yourself. And also, don't forget to like the video to give it your vote as a favorite and send it into the next round for the Kindness Kangaroo Library Book Award. Okay, everybody, it's easy being green. Mr. Mitchell came to our school and gave a talk about a greener future. There he is with a big sign that says things you can do to help the environment. Our family agreed to these green actions. LED lights are right. We replaced our old light bulbs with LED light bulbs. Our family decided to reduce plastics in our home. No plastic water bottles or straws. We use real bags and cutlery. Plastic is a problem and pollution. Our family composts fruit, vegetable, and meat scraps, bones, eggshells, tissues, paper towels, and napkins. Everyone recycles clean and dry plastic, metal, glass, paper, cardboard, and milk and other cartons. We fill a bucket while our shower is warming up. We use it to water our plants. We take short showers, saving water, energy, and money. We turn the taps off to save our wonderful water. Power down, a green home found. We turn off everything. Mr. Mitchell said, do the 30-30 test. Get outside for 30 days, for 30 minutes, and enjoy nature. We like having green thumbs. Gardens grow healthy foods and healthy families. We use a rain barrel to water our garden, flowers, shrubs, trees, and even wash our car. If we can't grow it, we buy it at the farmer's market. Our family buys locally and very little online. We agreed to eat less meat and little or no beef and lamb. Fruits and veggies, breads, cereals and pasta, meats and other. Meatless Monday is a great start. Washing and drying. Unless we have a full dishwasher load, we take turns washing and drying at the sink. Pollution solution. Our dryer uses the most energy in our home. We use drying racks after washing. We declutter and donate clothes that we don't wear anymore. In summer, less air conditioning. In winter, less heat. Dress for less pollution and less power used. Trees are magic machines. They give off oxygen, take in carbon dioxide, give shade, prevent flooding, and are home for many animals. A beautiful garden for bees, butterflies, and our family. Free sun power. Our solar panels give us clean energy and save our family money. Walking and biking means better air and better health. Planes cause the worst pollution. See that scale of travel. We are signing up for our school green team. The green team raised the money for green projects by asking their teachers to kiss a pig. With money made by the green team, each student was given a free water bottle. The green team asked students to bring greener lunches. The green lunches had no plastics, more fruits, and veggies. The green team was able to plant more trees, shrubs, flowers, and a garden at the school. The green team did many things at the school this year, which made them feel really good and very happy. Thanks for being part of the green team. So there, you see, you can be part of the green team by following some of the ideas or all of the ideas right here in this book. To be because it's easy being green. Again, that's our book, and check the description below to get your own copy because it gives you all these ideas for being green, and you can be part of the green team too.